In this video, we're going to explore the real-world applications of ChatGPT, OpenAI's cutting-edge language model. From chatbots to content generation, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology. One of the most exciting applications of ChatGPT is in the creation of chatbots. With its ability to generate human-like text, ChatGPT can be used to power chatbots that can answer customer questions, provide customer support, and even make recommendations. Another exciting application of ChatGPT is in content generation. With its ability to generate text based on input, ChatGPT can be used to automate the writing of articles, stories, and even poetry. This opens up a whole new world of creative expression and can help content creators save time and focus on other aspects of their work. These are just two of the many exciting real-world applications of ChatGPT. In future videos, we'll take a closer look at other potential uses and explore the potential of this cutting-edge technology.